guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is an amazing day. Today is a special day. So in India it's celebrated as Diwali. So I thought that since this is a festive season, I should also be decked up. So that's the reason I'm all decked up, and maybe not up to the mark, but then again I'm decked up and I'm quite happy about it. So I thought today I'll share with you all my two favorite things when it comes to smell, something that calms me down. So if you all know, aromatherapy is something that people consider as therapeutic, as calming. So for me, essential oils, those play a very important role. But then again, when it comes to candles or perfume, they take me a long way. It just immediately calms me down, and so I thought that why not make a video about it and share with you all what I think about these two products. So let's get into the video. Before that, I want to tell you all that I heard your feedback. I am working on my audio situation. My sister is gifting me a mic, so maybe by the next video I'll be able to have a lapel mic and the audio would be much better. I would be really happy if you stick around till that time and support me and help me grow. So let's get into the product. The first product is this candle, the scented candle by Bath and Body Works. It is in the flavor white caramel cold brew. And if you smell this, you are immediately reminded of a coffee shop, especially a Starbucks. It's like spot on Starbucks signature fragrance. I love this candle, and because when I think about let's say Starbucks or cafe, immediately I am thinking about having a good time or having a very chill time with my friends or myself even. So when I smell this, immediately I am reminded of a much more calmer time. So usually human beings associate smell. Smell is something that we associate with memories. So smells play a very important role, and this candle, that's why it plays an important role. It smells fabulous. I know Bath and Body Works can be a little bit on the expensive side, but then it's not something that you will light every other day, and this lasts quite a long because this is 3-wick candle. So there are 3 wicks in it. So when you light it, and this what is the product? How much? It is 411 grams. So it's around somewhat less than half kg. So it's really an amazing fragrance, and that's why I like this candle, and I immediately associate it with a nice little cafe, little light spot. So that's my first favorite, and I like it a lot. Now the second product is this perfume by Paco Rabanne. The name of this perfume is Olympia. I bought it online, I think maybe 2 years ago, and this is a smaller version. But then again, when it comes to perfume, what I always think is that even when you get it tested, even if you're buying, because again Olympia was something that I bought after smelling it in a store. I did not directly buy it online. I never do that. I always do my market research, because when you are spending an amount, you should be very responsible about it. So when I smelled this, I don't know, something in me just all of a sudden just calmed down. I don't know, I smell this and I'm reminded of, I don't know what, I'm bad at that, but I get this hint of vanilla. It's something that is calming. It's not, it can come off a bit strong, but then if you apply it sparingly, it will not trouble you. But this fragrance Olympia, it somewhat, I don't know, it makes me feel like a Greek goddess or something like that. So I love this fragrance. It smells really nice. I can keep smelling it. But then again, this is not how you should apply perfume. You should apply it here, and here and here. But then again, me being Indian and I was randomly spritzing it, so I spritzed it there. So please don't do that. That is not how you wear perfume correctly. You wear it here on the pulse points, so that what happens is you should never apply the perfume and rub it. You should always apply the perfume and let it stay, because if you rub it, the molecules, they tend to break down and it creates a shift in the smell. So what you smell is not what you would smell like if you rub it. So always remember that you spray it on your pulse points, or at the back of your neck, or at the back of your knees. Or the other thing that you can do is you can wear it immediately after you have a shower. You spray it and it just goes deep into your skin, and then it keeps emitting fragrance. Now the silage. Now what is silage? Silage is something, the way it the you know how much it spreads, the amount of fragrance that spreads around, because you must have come across fragrances that are, you know, some fragrances, they, if you come closer to a person you can smell it, but from far away you cannot smell it. So this is something that you can smell if somebody walks by. And I love this perfume, and it just immediately makes me feel very great. It just picks me up. So I like this fragrance, and these were the two products in my fragrance category that I love, I enjoy using. So these are my two favorite products. One is a candle by Bath and Body Works in the flavor white caramel cold brew, and the other one is Pakuraban Olympia. So till the next time I meet you guys with a better audio, this is me signing off. Meet you next time. Till then, stay safe. Have an amazing Diwali. Okay, bye.